I promise this is not clickbait. I have the Xiaomi Mi AirDots Pro or Mi AirDots. Today we're gonna go ahead and unbox them, give you guys an initial review. Hey, my name is Mitchell. If you're new to my channel, I make videos about the tech I use, things like cell phones, tablets, gadgets, drones. Before we begin, I'd like to thank everyone that supports me by using all of my affiliate links down below. As you guys know, I've already lost over $100 buying a pair of these that were screwed up on AliExpress. And if it wasn't for the continued support from you guys, I wouldn't be able to do this. Also, we have over 50 questions that were submitted by my Telegram community regarding the Mi AirDots Pro. I'm gonna have a separate video answering each and every one of those questions that's been submitted from them. And if you would like to join the Telegram community, go ahead and click the link in the description down below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Okay, to start out, here we have the box, and I gotta say, immediately based on the box compared to the regular AirDots, already feels a lot more premium, and the packaging on these guys is really a lot more substantial than what we have on the original AirDots. Open them up, and this is what we are greeted with. Okay, nothing else in the box. Let's go ahead. Generic, really nice length Xiaomi USB Type-C cable. I'm probably going to use this as an everyday carry item. Replacement ear gels. In the bag, we get an extra 3 ear gels, or sets of ear gels. Paperwork, which is in Chinese and English, which definitely gives me hope that these might see more widespread international distribution. And here we go for the unit itself. And living in Vietnam, most of the items are already opened and inspected upon arrival. So obviously this was opened and they put their really ugly sticker on the case. And let's see. Initial impressions on opening the case. Not bad. We have the button for the case right here. Now we have the actual headphones themselves. And boy, these are quite substantial in size. Wow. And weight. Wow. Wow. Right off the rip. And guys, just for reference size, and I will be doing a bunch of kind of overviews, just so you can see, it's about double the thickness of the AirPods. The headphones themselves are considerably bigger. Okay. Let's pop these in. Ooh, they feel good going in the case. Okay, this case looks like it's dead. Okay, it's been about 45 minutes to an hour, and they are fully powered up and fully charged. Let's go ahead and try them. Okay, how do we pair these? I'm definitely going to leave this in the video. Connecting. Place the earphone, then press and hold the function button for 2. Okay, and these things are connected before I even take them out of the case. Now the audio codec for these is showing me SBC. I think that has something to do with the ROM that I'm using when I will use it on my Mi Pad, which is running a stock ROM. They'll probably go with the AAC audio codec. Oh, commands are in Chinese. Not a fan. Instructions for use. Now these might end up coming out in an English version. While wearing both earphones, gently to access voice assistant. Play Drake on Spotify. Okay. Skip songs. Okay, the sound's pretty good. Okay, while listening to music, let's go with the... 3 seconds to activate or deactivate the active noise cancellation. Okay, so the active noise cancellation doesn't change the volume. Let's turn these down a little bit. They do automatically pause when you take them out of your ear, but this that's honestly annoying that they don't automatically start playing. And we lost the light. That's really annoying that they don't automatically start playing. They sound good. Let's see how fast they pair with my phone. Okay. Okay, we're opening up the top to these. Okay, so the moment you open up the top, these start pairing to your phone. Pretty cool feature, but to be honest with you, the moment I take my QCY T1 Pros or my fake AirPods out, it's a few moments, like 8-10 seconds after I have them removed out of the case, usually before I have both of them in my ears, that they are connected. So when you open this, when you have one charging, it will pause the music to reconnect the new headphone. Cool features. They stay in pretty good, but they're big. For first impressions, I don't know how to feel. I gotta wait and use them more before I can give you guys a really honest review. Obviously, this is like a first impressions. Okay, as you guys can see, these are big. There's no way to get around that. I'm gonna go through all the questions that people had in regards to the AirDots, in regards to how they sound, how they look, everything. If you are not part of my Telegram community and you wanna go ahead and submit a question, go ahead and drop it in the comment section down below for this video, and I will do my best job possible to go ahead and respond to all of those questions in a follow-up video, which I will link up here. Okay, that's gonna wrap it up. Again, thanks to everyone that supports me. If it wasn't for the money, which is really not that much money that I make on YouTube, and through my affiliate links, I wouldn't be able to afford a second set of these, being that I'm still had to pay for the other set that turned out being a mistake. So I appreciate all the support from you guys. If you're in my Telegram community or you have questions about the Mi AirDots Pro, Go ahead, let me know in the comment section down below. And until next time, guys, it's been Mitchell coming to you from Hanoi.